Ben. What do we have here?
Hello. His name is Vanilla.
Could you speak up so we can hear you?
His name is Vanilla.
This is Vanilla. This is. Don't let him fall. Hold on to him. It's good. Yeah. Just be real gentle because we don't want to hurt his wings. Okay. How many do we have all together right now?
In this box?
In this box, we have how many? Don't let them fall.
Can I look up?
No. Just hold on to it. We have 6 in the big box, and then how many do we have in the little box?
There's one there.
Same number.
12?
We have 12 all together, so there's 6 and 6. Yeah.
6, 12.
Yeah, we have 12 chicks all together. Isn't that fun? Yeah. All right. Let me look in here. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I like this guy.
6. You like that guy? Who is that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. I like how you named him Vanilla.
Because he makes you play. Because little chickies are not like him.
The other chickies are not like him?
Nope. They're all like brownish, vanilla-ish. This guy is just vanilla.
Cool.